Hi Internet, today is the 6th of March. I'm at Zuhal Custom, a shop specializing in custom modifications for Harleys and cafe racers to custom fit the rear panniers rack on my Vstrom 650. The Hepco and Becker rear panniers rack is taken from my Vstrom 1000. It fits nicely only at the rear mounting, so the bracket needs to be extended to mount to the front mounting points. The job was completed in 4 hours, thanks to the team at Zuhal Custom. Tomorrow, I will be going back to the Suzuki dealer to fix up all the other parts which have arrived. The Suzuki dealer is located in Campus, Johor, Bahru. Have bought 2 boxes full of parts to fit up today. Might have to do it over 2 days as it is a busy Saturday for the workshop. Have bought a full set of stainless steel crash bars, main stand, headlamp protector, radiator guard, handlebar riser, big foot for the side stand, rear wheel hugger, and a parrot bar for the cockpit. Initially was worried about the fitment and quality of the stainless steel crash bar set as the cost was less than $200, but fears were unfounded as installation was easy and quality is up there with the branded ones. Installed the hugger and bar riser today as well. As for the rest of the items, I have to come back again tomorrow. We'll DIY wrap up the crash bars tonight. Had a lot of people asking me what did I use to wrap the crash bars. The answer is bicycle handlebar tape wrap. You can buy them online cheaply. Today's installation was completed in extra quick time. Ample time left in the afternoon for me to take a short ride and test out all the parts fitted, besides the crash bars of course. All the basic essential parts and accessories for road trips have been fitted. Going for my first road trip on the Vstrom next week. We'll know after the road trip what other parts I will need for the Vstrom. The handlebar riser really makes a huge difference to the handling of the bike, and the riding posture is now much more comfortable. The original handlebar was set too low, in my honest opinion. The rear hugger is also important for road trips to prevent excessive mud or dirt thrown onto the rear shock from the rear tire. The big foot is useful for parking in muddy or gravel roads. The side panniers are one of my must-do install for all the bikes I ride for road trips. Firstly, I tend to bring quite a bit of luggage and a spare helmet, and secondly, the boxes prevents me physically from undertaking narrow lane splitting. Some other parts have also arrived by the time this video is uploaded, but will only install them after my first road trip. They will be featured in our Vstrom Mods Series Episode 2. The following are the parts already reached. Have also ordered the TRE, K and an air filter, and upsized rear sprocket which will be installed and reviewed after the running in is fully completed. Join us in the next video as we will be sending the Vstrom to be sticker wrapped in a new color in a few days' time, and thanks for viewing this video.